Hey, Jay here from smarthelping.com. Let's go through some check marks. I'm going to show you Excel and Google Sheets. They're both different in how they work. Also, Excel is very much more difficult. But so if you're going to do this, probably do it in Google Sheets, but I'll show you both ways. So before we get started, remember, check out smarthelping.com for more financial models, templates, and tools. I sell all kinds of things here for different industry, SaaS, real estate, industry specific startup financial models, joint venture waterfall distribution tools, accounting tools, human resource structures, personal finance, Google Sheet architectures, and CRM trackers, valuation tools. Remember, any bundle you buy, you get lifetime access, and no matter how many templates I add to it, you have access to that, no extra charge. All right, let's get into it. So, check boxes. Uh, in Excel, first you need to make sure you go to File, Options, and make sure you go to Customize Ribbon. And you want to have in this main tab here, you want to have the developer option clicked with a check mark. It's kind of funny this is check marks, but yeah, you want to have that checked yes. As soon as you do that, you'll see it up here. You go to Developer tab. To do a check mark, I just simply go to Insert, and I can do Form Controls, or you can do ActiveX controls either way. I just usually go to form controls here and you just do a check mark. And that's it. You can do text against it. You can copy it. You have to, if you want to do multiple, you have to paste it like that. Now, if you want to assign this to a cell, it's even more complicated. So let's say I want B5 to, I want to be able to do a formula to check if that cell has a check mark or not. Well, I would have to go right click on the actual box here, go to Format Control, and make sure on the Control tab and hit Cell Link and go, in this case, it's in B5, so we go B5. Now 3D shading, let's see what that looks like also. Oh yeah, so you can do a little 3D shading there when you check it. Now notice when you check it, when it's got that cell reference, it's false if it's unchecked, it's true if it's checked. So you can run formulas on that bar, and you probably want to remove the text here, and you want to make the text in cell C4 probably white so you don't see it. And now I can say, well, if B5 equals true, then 1. Otherwise, if B5 equals false, then 2. And so now unchecked is 2, checked, checked is 1. Let's move these other ones out of the way. So there you go. You can run formulas on it. It will know, but you have to assign the cell to the check mark. So that's a little bit complicated, but I mean, it's doable. Now the other one for Google Sheets is a lot nicer. Let's go to that. So here, it's so simple. Let's say you have some data, data 1, etc. down through, and let's say you're doing a checklist, or you want to check the items. You simply highlight it, go to Insert, and look at how easy this is. A few more. Oh wait. Highlight it, go to Insert at the top. I thought the right click would work, and just go to checkbox. And there you have it. You can check all these, whatever, automatically has them see it if true or false, if it's checked or not. So you can count, run functions on this to check if it's true or false. Very easy, and it looks nice just right out of the gate. So yeah, I mean, that's way easy. And you can do it, you don't have to do every single individual check mark like in Excel. You can just highlight however many cells you want, insert, hit the checkbox. I mean, it's super simple. And then again, I could say, let's say if I want to count if column B is true. And there you go. And this is how many items I've checked off the list. 3, 4, 5. You see how that changes if I uncheck stuff. So I'll put this link in the description box so you can get the formula. But Super simple, and that's how you do checkboxes in Excel or Google Sheets. Remember, check out www.smarthelping.com for more. Thanks for the support. Like the video, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.